So hey guys, and this is the OnePlus 10 Pro. This is a masterpiece from OnePlus. This is a result of Oppo x OnePlus merge, and OnePlus is using Oppo's resources for a maxed out flagship. So yes, comes in nice long red box, got phone inside, and of course some paperwork, silicon case, an 80 watts power brick. This device got sorta hideous but a unique looking design. OnePlus is clearly inspired by Samsung S21 and Apple iPhone. So we have a squarish camera module attached to the frame, and I like this different finish. Here it still got alert slider and all main OnePlus-ish accent. This one comes in volcanic black and emerald forest. There is white variant coming too, which they'll launch later on. So we have a 6.7 inch 2K display, 2nd gen high 120Hz refresh rate. This thing can go 1Hz to 120Hz and vice versa in no time. Yeah, saving battery and giving an amazing smooth experience. This is an expensive Samsung panel and there is a hole punch display on top left corner. Yeah, of course I wish there was no notch or hole like Xiaomi Mix 4 and Moto Edge X30, but OnePlus is going with a hole punch design. These specifications are maxed out for this price, so we have Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Silicon with Adreno 730 GPU, which is like really powerful. The benchmark can hit more than a million mark. OnePlus says there's heating pipe and silica gel for heat dissipation cause this CPU heats a lot. It runs ColorOS 12.1 out of the box, which is based on A12. See, in ColorOS 12 you won't notice huge changes in terms of interface, but they say it is smooth. There are some privacy settings like cam and mic indicators, some changes in privacy dashboard, there is hyper boost for stable frame rate and low latency, desktop mode and some small visual changes as well. OnePlus is using squarish module design which contains 3 cameras and some supporting sensor. So IMX789 main is gonna take some awesome daylight and night shots. Here are some official camera samples, and this is a collaboration between OnePlus and Hasselblad. Surprisingly, there is super wide which can shoot 150-degree wide angle shots, and I guess can also act as macro, so that is awesome. Then there is 3.3x telephoto lens too. Hope it was periscope or some high resolution telephoto lens, but this one is okay too. So no fillers, all flagship level specs in there. This device gets 80 watts of insane fast charging speed with a massive 5000 mAh battery. Yeah, I guess it can charge full in half an hour, so overall awesome specs I would say. It do supports wireless charging, fast storage and max out RAM, and yes, a power brick inside the box. So an amazing package. I like the new look, and of course the 8 Gen 1 CPU is powerful, 80 watts of fast charging which is enough. Samsung's E5 2nd Gen LTPO display, and the official pricing of OnePlus 10 Pro is 4699 yuan, which is awesome. That is $733 and 55,000 INR. This is the same price of Xiaomi Mi 12 Pro, so OnePlus just destroyed Xiaomi in this game. This is all guys, thanks so much for watching, like, subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.